needs to break up. One more. So YouTube, can you see me on YouTube? Okay. Yeah. All right. There we go. Hello, 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 hello. We're watching GNS. GNS is a stock of the day today. Good reminder. All right, how we doing, guys? Sandeep, the amazing Zen trader is here. Yes, I am here. I am here. Let's do it. What's going on? Everybody, happy Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Day number 13. I mean, what more can I say? Netflix was a great trade this morning. Google was a great trade this morning. FARO was a great trade this morning. And now we finally got an opportunity to get into GNS off the bottom here. And we working it. We're working. This stock, we cannot short this stock. But we definitely could long this stock, which is great. Hope everybody's having an amazing Friday with the amazing Zen trader here. It's Steve Reed. Welcome. Appreciate you all. If you're in the room, just go ahead and just put a happy face. Put a happy face. 13 days in. 13 days in. Sandeep, how are you doing? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Stock of the hour right now is GNS. Still holding my partial from DSF. From DSF from how many days now? Since the 19th. Yesterday. Rich is in the building. Welcome, Rich. Hope you're having an amazing day. DSF, pull back, found some support here, 104. Like I said, I'll come out at 104. If it breaks 104, I'll come out at DFS. But look where I got it from, 95. So I got A lot more room to go on that, so I'm just gonna hold that. I could go ahead and take 100 shares off here. Why not? DSF. If you see anything, go ahead and post it, ladies and gentlemen, so we could look at it. Tesla, still running. 131. Rich, there you go. Tesla. Next level for Tesla. Can we break that 3150 on Tesla? 3150 on Tesla. Watch that 3150 area on Tesla. Like it up here if Tesla is going to run. And then we look to short Tesla at 130 if it's not holding, right? Those are my two areas if you're not in Tesla already. Volume is dying out in the market now. Take a partial off Tesla right now. Yes, GNS. GNS. That's close on GNS, ain't it? GNS pulling back. GNS pulling back. Let's get GNS. So, how's everybody doing out there? Tesla. Tesla. Yeah, we need Tesla to break this this 131.50 pulling back right now. 130 short on Tesla if it fails. Came up here several times. Didn't we see this? We see this before, right? We've seen this play before, right? Almost here. So 1, 2, 3. Rejected here. So let's watch Tesla. 131.50. Okay. $131.50. We're not gonna get excited here. Andre, it was green, slightly red now. What are we trading? Stock of the hour right now is GNS. Tesla for the break at 331.50. I'm like $1.30 in so far. And watching GNS. Netflix. What's going on with Netflix? I think I'm done with Netflix unless we see anything else in Netflix. No, Netflix. Netflix. There you go. What Netflix? Do the VWAP. 3870. Yeah, Netflix is gonna have to break over this 3870 to go long. I like it over here. 3870, you have to break through this 3870. 337.50. It's there right now, already broke that. VWAP. Needs to come through the VWAP. SPY is trying to run again. We continue to range trade in AMD. If you love that stock and you love the way it trade, awesome. You see, I love Tesla. I love trading Tesla. So you'll find that one stock, ladies and gentlemen, that just fit your trading style, man, and it feels good when you trade it and you're green, you know? Resistant here again. We need Netflix to break through that. Now I could do minimum share size because the day is already green. Netflix was a great trade this morning. Google was a great trade this morning. And now you could look for some reversal. Like we're looking for the reversal on GNS. We're riding it from the bottom. Next target is $4 if it gets there. Rejection here on Netflix. I'll be watch Netflix at that 338.70. Then your target would be 340. Tesla having a hard time, right? And safe. Yeah, let's look at AMD for you. If you see anything, go ahead and post it, ladies and gentlemen, so we could look at it. AMD, looking to test that 68.50 short now. That was a great break over that 68.50. Now, short. It broke here, bam. Look at that, almost 89 cents. Retest again. 68.50. I would go short. I like it there. A and B. And look, 69 would be a target, right? So you would be out into the strength of the stock here. Pull back, retest again, and then go one more time. Market is taking a break. Take my partial here. I'll take 3/4 of this out there on GNS. I'm gonna log that profit right there. That was a great trade on GNS off the bottom there. It's slow. It's slow, Andre. I just took 3/4 of the trade out on GNS. Let the rest ride here. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade out. And then I take another partial at 330. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, half at the high. Half at the high, and then a partial on the pullback, and then I'll sell another partial at 30. And then 30 right here would be another partial. We needed to get over this 39. 430. And then the last of it I'll get out at $3. About 311 would be my back to my entry. 311, yeah. No. It's a close proximity, but 311. 311 entry would be the other. How's everybody doing? Let me see what's going on here. If you're green today, just put a thumbs up for me, please. Is the next partial. We need it to go. Going sideways, trying to get a break, or it's too much? Trying to make a head right here, right? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Day 13. of 251 trading days. Let me put a thumbs up. Yeah, put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up. Awesome. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Let me get those thumbs up. Seems like we're finding no resistance here. If you see anything, go ahead, post it so we could look at it. See any stock, go ahead, post it so we could look at it. Appreciate that. Rich, how you doing? How you doing on Tesla? Yeah, go Tesla. One more time. We're gonna celebrate this 3150. $31.50 on Tesla. $31.50 on Tesla. That's what I'm talking about, Rich. Watch this pullback on GNS. SPY's sitting up at this 392 area here. That's awesome, Rich. You took a liking to Tesla, huh, Rich? I love it. I love it. For me, Tesla is an easy trade. Easy trade. I love it. Not all the time, but when the formation is there, yes, I will take the trade. I will take the trade. That was me. I did that earlier this morning. Okay, here we have a breakdown now. Okay. Let's see where we at. Let's have that first, the second partial, third partial. Let's get that. Take that. And let's see what it does down here. 3333. Got my partial at 333. Hold on, guys. Hold on one moment. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. These work. Where do you enter? Doesn't give you nowhere to enter. So I wouldn't mess with that. I wouldn't mess with that. Just because. I just don't like the way the chart looks. Nothing technical there for me. Okay? That's the reason why. Okay. Next break is 211 would be out at my entry. 311. 311. That was a beautiful trade up off the bottom and now coming back down. Yeah, look at it. Gave it all back, right? Jose Lowe is in the building. LC Money, VRTS, I just wouldn't trade that. Yeah, Rich, Tesla is very nice to trade here. Absolutely. The only thing we can't short, GNS. So you always got to look for longs, at least for now. 9 cents to go to my out on GNS. Came right back down. Let's see what the bid is at 320. Once I see 311, start printing. 323. Yeah. We got 322 printing right now. 323. 325. We got some profit taken right here. As you can see, wanting to go high. And the sellers came in and took that over the buyers. And now the sellers are in control now. Let's see if the buyers could take back control and push it up another 40, 50 cents. I'm not mad at that trade. That trade was good. I'm cutting in and out. Yeah. Jose Lowe gave me a call. He was in the chat for a minute. Yeah, he was just asking me about. I tell him you're working on that. Yeah. Huh? No. I was having a conversation with him. Am I dropped off YouTube? Look like I'm dropped off. I'm there? Okay. Lucid. Okay, let's see where we at. Don't say no. Hi everyone. Let's see money. Okay, nice. Good for you. It's just that I didn't see VRTS look good for me to trade it. McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's was good. Long. McDonald's long. There's resistance up here, that's why. There's resistance up here on McDonald's. See the resistance here? Feel the gap? Just need to go higher. That's the resistance there on McDonald's there. Break this, we could go higher. If not, resistant and right back down to VWAP. That would be a great trade. A reversal trade under 266.60. I like that. 266.60 reversal on McDonald's. And break the 267.30, go higher. This is where I like it here, 266.60 short. NVIDIA, let me look at that in a few minutes here. Give me 1 minute here, let me clean up this here McDonald's real quick, and I'll look at NVIDIA. Over the top. Okay, McDonald's. We got McDonald's all spread out. NVDA. Let's look at NVDA. NVIDIA was nice. Wow. That was great. It's our breakout area here on NVIDIA. Look at it. 170.30. This was a price point we set up, right? Look at that trade price point. Right? Let's see here. That was on yesterday, NVIDIA, right? Look. Yeah, look, look. Look. So, I'm trying to see, do you see it? Do you see that? There you go, NVIDIA. Look where we at today. Okay. So I do my homework, right? There it goes. Look at that. So every day, it don't matter what I do, I could always find a trade to trade. Because I go through my stocks and do what I do. Look, this was yesterday. What it says here. Price alert when NVIDIA breaks 170.30. Look at it. Boom. Money. Money. $174 short NVIDIA on a pullback. Anything goes wrong with NVIDIA on the 174. Pushing 176 right now. But you know what? I like it at 174 if anything changes. Always I like to short stock back to the VWAP. Alright, let's get this out of here. Bye. Keep an alert out for NVIDIA. It keeps running. If you're in NVIDIA, kudos to you. I don't share those notes. Sandeep, I don't share those notes. To share those notes, man, you know, I mean, people pay for it. That would be me giving you financial advice And if I share those notes would be for only if I'm doing like a mentorship. If I'm doing a mentorship and people are looking for mentorship, then those notes would be available to those people in the mentorship. And maybe that will come after this after this year. That is something that I'm looking into to do, and it's only for people that are serious. The reason why I want to do that is what I'm doing now, to make sure to erase the doubt if I'm a scam or anything like that. Okay? If you've been following me for a very long time, you could see what. If you want those notes at that point, you would we have to have the website, and then you go through those channels and you sign up and whatever it's going to come after that, you know. But right now it's not something that's in process right now. It's just a thought for now. But to get that, that's the only way you will get that note. And then at that point, it's only privileged people that got access to those kind of information. And if you're really serious about trading. Okay? So GNS never came down and hit our entry out. So going sideways, maybe resting, and could fall again and bounce one more time. That would be great. But if the SPY start breaking down, we may see another breakdown or letdown in GNS. So NVIDIA looks good. NVIDIA was a great trade this morning. At 11:05, break. Let's run. If you see anything, go ahead and post it. Let's see what's going on with Google. Hit the like button for me and share. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let you know when I go live. Okay. As you can see, one top, two top. Would this make the three top? Will this make the third top for Google? And then Google short here. Let me get rid of this here. If Google can't hold it. Google can't hold it. Google can't hold it. 97.50 on Google. We want Google short 97.50. Yay? Yay. Yay, yay. If Google is going to make a run to the downside, I would like it at. And then break over this area here. Break over 98.40. And short. Come on. $97.50. Short 97.50. Okay? And it did break. Google break over 98.40. Alright? So here we are. Okay, let's mark this out right here. Let's mark this out for you. Let's see if we can mark this out and see what happened. Market is taking a break right now. This is a top here, right? Here's another top. right? One top, two top. There's another one right here. So as you could see, break the previous, right, and went up. Retrace back down, right back down, back to VWAP. Now we're back to our previous, okay? Try to get to our previous here, fail. So what it's gonna do now, we wait on that, fail. So higher lows, right? Higher lows. Let's see what it does here. So we got one more here. So we're just mapping out these tops here. So that's three tops, right? 1, 2, 3. This one here. We need to break this to go higher, right? Right? These are the tops these are forming. 1, 2. As you get higher, retract. As you can see, even. So the next one is, right? If it has to break higher, let's see if it break all this one. 1, 2, 3. We need it to go higher if we want to see a long on this stock here, Google, right? But if not, let's see. Break down underneath the VWAP and right back down, okay? Right now it's just using the VWAP as support above the VWAP and going sideways. So this is a patient stock you would have to wait on, okay? GNS, coming back up from the bottom. Never got stopped out of GNS. Look at that. All right, let's clear this out. Beautiful. Left me 1,000 shares in that. Anybody else in GNS? All right, Sandy. Oh yeah, I got some people that is on the list already waiting. But let's get through this 251 trading days, and we'll think of something. At that point, I'll be a mentor. At that point, we do like we do every day, right? There we go. We need to come back up here and break, right? So why I didn't come out of GNS with all my share size and then take it again, it never hit my stop loss at my entry. That's why I never came out. I didn't get stopped out with the partial. Well, the higher it goes, see if it goes to $4, then I could add and my average will come up. Andre, me long? On which one? What are you long on? If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, please. And do hit the like button for me. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just merely sharing my stock picks and trades. Okay? I just got to put that out there. Please do your own research. If you do need a financial advisor, do seek one. Okay? We're definitely having fun over here. The market is slow, so I would say grab yourself something to drink. As I am gonna grab me a bottle of water. Okay? I'll be right back. GNS long, yeah? I was long GNS from 311, as you could see right here. Tesla's still hanging in there. DSF took a partial and let the partial run. And DSF is having Tesla having a hard time getting over this 3150. Okay? We already established that. Trading range, trading channel with Tesla. That's the trading channel for Tesla right now. Between 130 and 131.50. Wow. And then we'll short Tesla at 130 if the market fails. Market is taking a breather up here at 392. So do everything else. Slow. Have lunch, have some apple, have some snacks, have your favorite beverage. It's Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Let me grab a bottle of water. I'll be right back. And then you could stand up and stretch too. Oh, I got tea. I'll drink my tea and some water. Welcome to the weekend. Welcome to the weekend. Under the cherry moon. Under the cherry moon. Woo! That's hot. That's hot. Yeah. All right. Let's see what we got here. Cappuccino is long, but soon to be short. Soon to be short. Oh my goodness. Oh, you took some profit on GNS long? Yeah, good for you, Andre. It's coming back down. Show some weakness. Okay, I'll be stopped out at my entry, 311. Haven't hit that yet. But that was a great trade. We only could long GNS. Can't show me. I know I can't short it. When you go to buy the short, it say not available. If you see anything long or short, go ahead and post it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. The comment section, and hit that like button in the comment section, okay? Hit that like button for me. Let YouTube know I'm here. Okay? Let's hit YouTube, that like button. Follow me on TikTok at the Zen Trader 2.0. That's the page to follow. Mm-hmm. 328. Spies inching its way up, huh? 392. Spy took a rest and now wants to run again. Tesla 131. 31. Trying. DSF. Mark. Woo! So we're talking about that 105, right? That 105.25 right there. MSDR. Let's see what MSDR. I got an alert on the MSDR. See what MSDR is doing. Look at that. Look at MSDR. There you go. I chart it. Look where it's at now. Above 225. Look where it's at. 232. Almost eight points in the money on MSDR. And if the SPY is running, MSDR will break over that if the SPY continue higher. Let me see where the SPY is right now. 394. If the SPY get over 394, you could see MSDR higher as well. So these are pullbacks. Look at these pullbacks and gap down. Boom. Gap. It's hard to trade this stock though. You don't know where it's going. Look. There. Pull. Here. It's hard to trade that. And if you wasn't in it from 225, you missed the trend. That's it. There's this pullback here. So MSCR. Apple. Let's see what Apple is. If you see anything, go ahead. What's going on, Edwin? Apple wants to get higher. But look at Apple. Oh, this is not Apple. AAP, that's not Apple. That's a weird looking APL. Yeah, AAPL. Look at Apple. Look at that 136. What is that? 135.20? Look at that. The next break is 136 on Apple. Okay? If it gets there, that's the area I'll be watching. Or if you like Apple, that's the area you should be watching. Come on. 136. We gotta clear that up. Thank you. Edwin, welcome. Oh man, look at these, that's how much I used to trade Apple, huh? And these are good movers like Apple, Microsoft, Meta. You will guarantee get several points in these stocks if you trade them. $135.50. $135.50. I need to see Apple break that support to the downside at $135.50. Okay? Support becomes resistant, right? This was the support on Apple yesterday. It's today, this morning. Okay? Look where it's at before opening at 9 o'clock. Apple back to that, break through it, and now trying to make new highs, right? There we go. 136. 136.29. Need help from the market though for Apple to break this 136. I like to short it on the 135. Under the cherry moon. Cheers. Yeah. What was your entry, Edwin, on GNS? What was your entry on GNS, Edwin, off the bottom? If you see anything, go ahead and post it so we can look at it. 290. Woo! Great. Exit at 340. That's awesome, man. I love it. Awesome. I got in at 311. It's on its way back down. Can't go any higher. Yeah, that was a great, right off the bottom there. That was great. Kudos to you. Kudos to Edwin on that GNS trade. I got at 311. I ride it up to 360. Yeah, 360. Took my first partial up here and start taking it down as it start breaking down. So back to my entry. I'll be out of that stop. Nice, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And nothing else going on in the market. At DSF, partial running from yesterday. Got a great entry at 95.54. Tesla is just up here not doing much or anything. Pull back some on Tesla. Yeah, the Tesla at my entry, and I love to short it at 130 if the market start failing. Yeah, that's the only way, because GNS didn't give us an opportunity to go long this morning. It got me right here on GNS. So this first one here on GNS, this one right here on GNS. This is where I originally break for it to break higher, but failed. Came up to the VWAP and bounced and then ripped down. I try to hold it a little bit to the bottom here, and it's just continued to break down, so I was out. So I took a loss on GNS here and just say, you know what, I'm gonna wait till it find the bottom. And it came back down, as you could see, back where it started from today. Like Rich was saying, gave up about 100%. It was up over 100 and something percent. It dropped about maybe 80 or 70%. And now we're back at it again. So if it breaks this $3, then bye-bye. And then we could look to trade it up again at some point, okay? So I'll be watching this stock. Great trade. I mean, if you could trade this stock to the long side, just great opportunities. We took it. Edwin took it. I think Rich was trying to, I think Rich took it. Yeah, that was good. And Rich was in Tesla. As you can see, I'm still in Tesla. Let's look at coin. We could look at coin. Coinbase. Coinbase. Coin is getting ready to short now. Then we short coin now. Yeah. What it says? Below 52.70. Below 52.70. Below 52.70 on coin. Okay? And my stop loss is going to be here. 53.50. Coin. I'm going coin. I'm going coin. Coinbase short. Stop loss. See, 52.70. Let's get that. Let's get it to VWAP. Let's get it. I like that. Easy. That's how I trade, ladies and gentlemen. You know, let's see. If we could make it, that'd be a great trade. I have my stop loss at the highs, okay? Okay. We could take a partial at 52 if it comes down at the support area at 52, right? We'll take our first partial at 52. We take our first partial here at 52. Then VWAP. NVIDIA going down too. Well, good you didn't. Unless you was gonna swing it for this morning, which was good this morning. But other than that, before opening, that was it. NVDA. Let's look on NVDA here. NVDA below 74. I like NVDA on the 74, okay? Short 74. $176. $176. $176. $174. Coin pull back a little bit. GNS 344. Anything over 350 you could go long on GNS. NVIDIA on the 74, 174, NVIDIA. And your stop loss would be the top here. Give yourself $1, $2 if you like. GNS making another run. Let's go. What's that 340? Don't get trapped in that bull trap. I mean, if it's going to make a run, this would be the time to make a run. Yeah, NVIDIA would have to break under that 174, sure. I'm in coin short. Stop loss is the top here. There we go. GNS, one more time. One more time. 360. We're already at 350. 350. Just got to be patient with these trades. The hardest thing is to be patient. Listening to some good beats, chill sound. You don't need all that other stuff to, you know, you listen to your favorite stuff. UNG, let's see what's that all about. There go Apple. Apple, let's go to Apple first. Whoever was waiting on Apple. Anybody waiting on Apple? Bang! 135.50, let's do it. I'll go a little share size on Apple. Just because I'm at my why not? Back to the VWAP. Target to VWAP. Okay, I'm done with PG. PG. PG, so done with that now. That was a great trade. That's it with PG. Okay, now we need Apple on this 135.50 to the VWAP. Stop loss on Apple. Tesla. Tesla hit my entry. And then we're gonna watch for Tesla at 130, okay? Tesla at 130 break with the SPY breaking down. We could look for some short, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so watch for Tesla short. Okay, coin looking good. Coin looking good. Whoa. As soon as I said that, look at coin. Look at Tesla. Look at the market. In a split second, somebody said, no, I don't want the SPY to go down. Yes, you will. Must be hot outside. Wow, 71 degrees. Woo! Wow. Yeah, as you can see, I don't sponsor water. I don't sponsor anything. Yeah, it's time for the SPY to take a dive. We waiting. And that will give us an opportunity in Tesla, Apple, Coin, Microsoft, and a lot more other stocks. But to name a few, Meta, the SPY dumping, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Baba, Tesla, Coin, NVDA, you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me, ladies and gentlemen. Please and thank you. And also, give me a like as well. I appreciate that. Let's see what happened, Rich. Let's see what happened. MRIN. MRIN. And Marine. Martin Software. Wow, look at that stock though. Oof. That's an ugly chart. Where do you get in? I hate when stock give you, oh yeah, we're up 5%, but I'm so sorry you can't get in. But you know, some people would try to get into a stock like this, but where do you enter? This is a guessing game with a stock like that. Okay, coin refused to go short. Okay. $53.50. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Coin is not moving with the spot. Rum. R-U-M. Do we got some rum? Rumble in the jungle. Whoa, look at rum. R-U-M. Oof. That was nice. Look at this 950 on rum. 950 was a beast. That was great. Look at that. So it went from an ugly chart to a nice stairway. Look at that. Came down to VWAP and bounce, and that was it. See you later. Let's see what the 15-minute look like and what the daily look like. Wow, $10. Next break. Next resisting for up here at the $10 here. Come on. RUM. $12. Gotta get over this $10 here. Yeah, what's that? It's 1070. RUM. You gotta get over that $10. That would be this area here. It's right there right now on the daily. We just needed to get over there. $10.70. $11.50. $11.50 is another crucial area for RUM. Okay, Apple. Get ready for the market. spread on RUM is a penny, so reversal on at 980. It's up 10%. Let it go, let it go, let it go. See anything? I'm getting hot here. Woof. Ooh-wee. Woof. Gotta get me a little desk fan. My fan is all on my computer. Woo. That must be the tea and the ginger. Coin back to our entry on coin. Back to our entry on coin. Watch RUN at that $10. Let's look at Tesla, where Tesla is at. I'm gonna look at coal in a minute. Tesla at 130. Sorry. Watch Tesla. Oh, on the 43. It broke. Look at coal. Right? Above 42.20. On the 43. If it breaks 43, then back to down the VWAP. I like it. I like that, Edwin. If it breaks 's right here, right now. Yeah, coal would be a great short. Woo, 78 degrees, rich. Woo. $43 break on coal. I like that right there, Edwin. Unless coal want to make a stance right here at 43 and saying, I'm not going anywhere. Urgh. Not if the spike can help it. I like coal. RUM 980. I don't know, so much to do here. So much. So much to choose from. You gotta pick your poison wherever it is. Wow, coal decided to go the opposite way, huh? Coal made a stand. Is that it? Coal made a stance? Edwin Cole made a stance and said, no, not right now. At least not right now. Okay? RUN. FAR, Netflix, FAR, Netflix. Wow, everything is hitting now. Netflix. I'm just on my bigger screen here. Netflix wants to come up. Yeah, support 335.40. 337 Netflix long. Coinbase. I don't know what the SPY just did, but the SPY did something funny. Somebody threw a bunch of money into the SPY. Somebody did. Yeah, I agree, Edwin. It hurt us. Sometimes I'll be thinking that too, Edwin. Some of the stuff I do, sometimes I don't know. Somebody is listening. They're listening to us. They're listening. Who they are, we don't know. There you go, coin. Beautiful. What you gonna do, RUM? Are you gonna break or try to go sideways? Let's see. Ask is at 984. I need to see 975. 975. Some guy named Steven pumped the SPY. There's a lot of Steven out there. There's a lot of Steven out there. It could be any one of them. I know it's not me. I can't pump the SPY. Matter of fact, I'm shorting the SPY with the last partial. Well, the market was just about to make a move and then all of a sudden got held up. It's just like we're at a standstill right now. Look at that coin. AUD. We go back to AUD. That got me all excited. What is that? This is when you say this is a weighted index. Look at that. Wow. AUD. Traded weighted index. When is the last time it came over 64? Look at this here. Look at this monstrosity here. Can't trade it anyway. Wow. Well, look at that level right there at 62.70. lot of people keep it at that level, huh? Don't waste your time. Elon kind of money, yeah. Can't believe I'm coin. Coin came back up. I don't know. We'll go to market again. That's why. That's why the market is making another run. Look at NEO. Yeah, NEO, VWAP, resisting at VWAP. Yeah. VWAP breakout. That's the next resistance at 1120 on NEO. That would be your target. Anything above that, sweet. Sweet. That's another resistance up there though. 1120. You're looking for 10 cents. Yeah, Neo, Andre, what's good? Welcome. The SPY wants to make another run again. That's what we see. Failed to break 392. Decided it wants to make another run before the day is over, going into the power hour. Ridiculous. Meta. Meta. Meta over the top here. If the SPY keep running, Meta over the top. 138.50. 138.50. Over the top. Meta. 2 cents to go. Meta. I'm not trusting anything at the top right now. But that's where you go. If the SPY keep running, find Meta over 38.50 right there. Supports. We found support. Look at that strong support here. Fail. Back. Try. Fail. Support. Try. Fail. There we go again. One more time. Only bots could trade like this. 138.50. Spike keep going up, then you'll find meta go. And I don't trust anything up here. I'll let it go. The higher it goes, the better it is. There you go. As well as Netflix, everything. Okay. So everything is doing a reversal. Everything is running. Netflix. Netflix is running. I got 6 cents to go. I'm going to be out of coin. Okay? And don't worry, power hour coming up. Okay, now we got confirmation that the SPY wants to run now. So, okay, I'll be out. Out. Coin. And there you go, Apple. Woo! Laid on my Apple. Partial out. 136 was my next one there. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. The SPY turned around and ready to run. So the higher it goes, the better chance of me taking it short now. So let it run. $135.62. That was good. Apple came back down, hit my stop loss, and I'm out. The market changed direction. Don't let it bleed. Now I watch the market, and then I look for short trades. Got about another 20 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, okay? As 2 o'clock comes, I gotta hand over the studio. Let it go. So coin and Apple rejected going low because the market changed direction. As well, you should be in Tesla long. And NDN. There go Tesla, waiting for Tesla again. Okay, 131.50. If the market keep going up, Tesla 131.50. NVDA, there you go. Anybody that was waiting on NVDA. There you go, NVDA, 176. Only if the SPY continue, all these stocks will move higher. There you go. The higher it goes, the better you get an opportunity to trade it to the downside. As I am not trusting anything right now. 393 on the SPY. What's the letter on that? Oh yeah, I needed over 27. Yeah. Oh, I missed that. I missed that. Is that resistance area for that. Off the bottom, stock is down so much though. It's down so much. And that 1 minute chart, it looked good. Go back down on the 2 minute. Yeah, I don't trust it. Let the SPY run, let they run up. Tesla long. Oh. $131.50. Tesla over 131.50. COMS. COSM. Oh, that was nice pop there on COSM. Up 54%. Up 54%. Look at that big candle on the daily yesterday. On the 16th. Last year. Look at that. Yeah. Gotta move over that $6. $6 on the daily, gotta break over that. That's where that is on the daily. There's resistance at $6. So next break would be 5. Because resistance is up there at 6. 395 will be the next break on COS M. There's resistance up there at 5. We need some volume, some good volume in the market. Need some good volume in the market. Spice trying 395. Going up. Yep. Yep. Yeah. 490. 490. GNS is coming back down to my entry. How many times? Support here. GNS. SPY got up all the way to 393. AMD. Looking AMD broke. AMD broke, Edwin. Broke over 69. Yeah. Needs to break that resistance up here to go higher. Needs to break that. On AMD. Just watching the market go up. As it goes up, ride the train. Train is your friend. There you go. AMD, Edwin. Now. The time is now. 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 Above 440. Now. Now said now. Look at that trade right here. There you go. 440. That was my alert. There she goes. There she goes. Look at that. Look at that. The spread on now is ridiculous. I wouldn't trade that. It's 76 cents. if you know how to trade that kind of stock. I'll be quick with it though. 440.59, that's the next area for that. 440.45, that's what I'm looking at. 440. The ask is at 440. Lower. RBLX. 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 Buy is over 393. Yes, sir. And climbing. Today the SPY would want to go to 400. Probably the end of the weekend, right? 400. Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo-hoo. RBLX 35. It's up here. Broke over. 1, 2, 3. Higher lows. Look at those flags. Look at those flags. And then boom. Yeah. Yeah. There goes COOS. There you go, Edwin. Touching that $5, Edwin. There you go. Next break. Bringing up to 470. There you go. There you go, Edwin. 59% up. Ed, let it keep going. The higher it goes, the better chance you have for taking it short. No, I don't. I could look at it though. I could look at it though. Never trade those. The only one I'm start getting into now is the SPY. But it's up 6% at TQQQ. All that. If anything happened, 1980, I'll look to go short there. I would try it just for the fun of it. 1980, Edwin. But I mean, you know, if you guys suggest something, I'll look at it. If it looks good, I'll trade it. I always try to look to trade it. I don't trade them all the time, but the SPY now I'm getting involved in because I watch it all the time. I say, why not get involved? I say the FARO is going to be a nice pullback in the market to close the Friday. Unless we're going to end the weekend with the market being up. Oh, let's see where the market is. Hold on. Let's see some gainers before I go. Hold on. Alright. Let me see something. Maybe I could see a... Okay, GNS is in the running. Oh man, I forgot about this stock this morning. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, you're gonna... HLBZ. Jesus. HLBZ. There it goes right there. HLBZ. Short. Oh. Oh man. Missed that. Okay, and GNS. GNS is out. Came down. Tap. Tap. Must have known that I'm getting ready to go. That was it on GNS. It's over. It's over. We tried. So HLBZ, GNS was our top mover today. Okay. LYT. 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 Look at LYT. Up 123. LYT, anything on the 163. Above, look where I had it. Above $2, look where it came up. Just for a little bit. And then pull right back down. Look at it. This is my original. I was waiting for it. Here. No. Stock is up 124%. Those are money makers right there. Money maker. Money maker. Volume died out of it though. It's going to be a great short. Look at we speak. And as I speak, ladies and gentlemen, look. It tap it, right? Look at that. It tap it as soon as I placed it in, and I didn't even trade it yet. Okay? Look at that. LYFT. 20, almost like 14 points. 14 cents, I mean, I'm sorry. Look at that. Put that on my watch list there. But that was great. Look forward to short now. 162. $1.62, $1.46. Yep, $1.46. So $1.46. Now it's gonna fall. So it's halted right now. Yeah. That was it. Yeah. It heard me, Rich, heard. MULN. Look at that. Wow. MULN. That was a great break too. Great break. Below 28. It's running. It's running. It's running, Edwin. That was a great one. I don't know how long that's gonna last though. Still got resistance up here at that 30 cents. Got resistance up there at 30 cents. So beautiful. Are you in that one, Edwin? That was nice. That was beautiful. That was great. Look for it to run. I'll short it up there as it goes up. If it gets up here, $29, $29, $29. It's running. There you go, 29. This is funny stuff. This is funny stuff. I'm gonna stop calling them out. Look for that pullback. The higher it goes, the better it is. If it breaks over 29.29, great, great. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah, that's it. You know, you're not gonna catch all of them, Edwin. You're not gonna catch all of them. Sometimes it's better let it go. Let it do what it do. Tomorrow's another day. There you go. Look at these two volume. The volume coming in. It's picking up 29 now. We want to see 30. I don't see 30 print yet. The higher it goes, the better it is to short. Can't believe I missed LBZ today. LYT. LYT. Let's see what happened. LYT. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See you later. Adios. Adios. Man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I got to hand this studio over to the significant other. Thank you all for participating in the 13-day out of 251. The Zen Trader. 13 days green. And we're tracking it. Okay? We're tracking it. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations to you guys. 13 straight green days. We're doing it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, ladies and gentlemen. If you need a financial advisor, seek one. Okay? As I am just sharing my picks and my trades. That's what we do on this channel. Okay? Edwin, appreciate you, man. Monday, enjoy your weekend. The stock that we went over, let the market goes up and you could catch them at the highs to short. That's what I would look for, you know, in Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and all these other stock that we looked at, okay? As you could see, we got another halt on LYFT, okay? And it's melting, all right? So enjoy the rest of your, stay blessed. Thank you. Edwin, Rich, Mark, Andre, Edwin, Andre, Andrew, Rich, we got Rich, Sandy, LC Money, Jose Lowe, yeah, Sandy, Jose Lowe, great job, guys. The proof is in the receipt. Yeah, Rich, we're looking forward to it, man. As we continue this trend, you know, we're gonna do it. Changing lives one trade at a time, one day at a time. Okay? Our goal is to be green this year, right? Big difference from last year, right? And if I could help you to be even 50% green of the year, well, I did something for you guys. You know what I mean? I can't have you, I can't press the button for you, but at least I could try to put us in a position to be green, or put ourselves in a position to where we could make a trade, yes or no, you know? And pressing that button is totally up to you. Yes, sir, Edwin. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Sometimes it's not about what you could get, you know, it's all about paying it forward, man. You know, I'm a big believer of that, okay? Because so many amazing things have happened to me, I can't see why not, you know? And if you don't believe in sowing that seed, Maybe you should start this year just sowing one seed at a time, and you'll see the reward at the end. And rewards come in different shapes, size, forms, all type of way. You know, you could be out there and you missed it in an accident. Like if you would have been 5 minutes earlier, you probably would have been in an accident. And now that you're 5 minutes later, wow, you know. Told you yesterday, I got pulled over by the cop yesterday, right? She said that I was going 65 in a 45. I said, really? There's no way. I got one car next to me, and you're gonna look at my car and pick me out just because, right? So I said, okay, you know. She was from the opposite side, coming down. You know, say I was speeding. No, I wasn't. I was keeping speed limit, but whatever she wanted to check, she wanted to check. That's her excuse. Say I was speeding. You know, you're not speeding. No, I wasn't speeding. She came behind me, pulled me over. It was a one lane, so I had to wait for somewhere to pull over. Found me a spot in the middle of the median, up in the grass where we didn't have to block. Had all my windows down, my hands on my steering wheel. You know, she asked me for do you have your CCW? I said, yes, it's on this side. You know, just explained to me, thank you for letting me know, but they already know from they pull your plate, right? They know what you have because it's attached to your plate, right? Attached to your license. So I guess she wanted to check to see if I would tell her if I do or not. So whatever. Yes. Don't move your hands. No problem. I say, listen, I need my wallet. Is it okay? Then I got another cop pulled up behind her, I guess as backup. But, you know, just following, you know, hey, this is what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing, you know, and give her my stuff, my information. She went back there and said, hey, you know, I just got to make a report of this, that I stopped you, and, you know, just go on doing what you're doing. I said, okay, thank you. I mean, what else you was going to do? Yeah, that's a warning, but, you know, for her, that's her excuse of giving me a warning for stopping me, for checking, right? Because that's what they do. I'm okay with that. I wasn't doing anything. So, you know, that's my story yesterday. LYT. Yeah. It sounded roof. That's why I don't put those loud pipes on my car, because of that reason. So that's going to do it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for hearing my story. Enjoy your weekend, all right? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Enjoy your weekend. And my chill sound, that's it. All right? I'll see you guys on Monday.